Hello and welcome.
eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll discuss programs, some more programs of line statement, and it's a part 3rd of and module 14 of GW Basic Programming Language, and the chapter is graphics. So we'll be dealing with the graphics in this chapter. So we're gonna execute a program by using the line statement, and this program actually draws the same box and fill it in. So let's switch to the IDE. We'll execute the program over there and see how it is done. So here we are, viewers. First we will use the screen statement. So we'll use screen 9, and then we will type line 0, 0 minus 100, 175 like this, and then comma BF, which is used to fill the box. Now press the enter key, and you can see the output like this, the filled box, and you can use a different color. So this is how we can use. So if you give a different coordinate, like we start this box from a coordinate number 200 and the y coordinate 0, and then minus, and then the x coordinate will be 100 and the y coordinate is 175, and then you give a color number like 13 and give BF like this. So you can see a box like this. Once again, if we execute it and then give different values, like we give 350, 300, 0, and then minus 100, 175, 14, BF. So you can see a box like this. So this is how this program is executed and give us the output. We can use different colors, and filled box means that this box is filled with that particular color which we give in the line statement. So I'm gonna give a more farther value of x1 so that the box can be seen over here in the middle of the screen. So let's see how this is executed. Let's see, 175, 100, 175, the value of x2 and y2 coordinate. Give 16 and then BF. Once again, it actually covers. So you can see box like this over here. This is the value of x1 350, value of y 100, from top to bottom of 100 starts from over here. Y coordinates, x2 value is 3 is 100, adding 100 it will become 450, and 175 is the length. So 100, and then adding 75 it will make 175. So the value of y1 is 100 over here, and the value of y2 is 175, means 75 is added into it. So you can see a point x2 over here, y2 over here. So let's discuss some more programs. This is a program with the help of this we can draw same box and fill it in. So after executing the above program, now I'm gonna execute one more program by using the line statement, and this program actually draws the same filled box in magenta color in screen 1. So let's switch to the IDE. So viewers, here I'm gonna use the screen 1 because I'm supposed to draw a line statement by using the screen 1 mode. So this is the screen 1 mode. Now I'm gonna type line 0, 0 minus 100, 175, 2, BF. So you can see magenta box like this by using this statement. So once again we will type that code again, line 0, 0 minus 100, comma 175, comma 2 is the code, color code used for magenta color. So we actually use this statement, offline statement, with these coordinates and then these attributes, and VF is used for fill box. So this way we can draw a same fill box in magenta in screen 1. So viewers, now we will draw a same box if screen 2 is specified. In above program we have used color 2 as an attribute, and we can see a magenta color filled box on the screen. But now we're gonna use the same box, but this time screen 2 is used. In this program we have used screen 1. Now I'm gonna draw the same box but in screen mode 2. So let's switch to the ID and let's see how it is executed. So here's I'm gonna type screen 2 like this. Now we are in screen mode 2, and now we're gonna type the same by using same box, line 0, 0, minus 100, 350, comma B. So this is the code. I'm gonna execute this program by using the line statement. So now viewers, I'm gonna execute a program, draws a vertical dotted line down the center of the screen in screen 1. So let's switch to the IDE. So viewers, I'm gonna type a program, screen 1. So we'll type screen 1 like this, and over here we can type 400 screen 1, line number 410. We will type line 160, comma 100, minus 160, comma 199, comma ampersand H C is the code of the color. So I'm gonna press the enter key. So I need to press F2 key. Syntax error 410, line 160, 100, minus 160, 199, and then comma need to specify. So I'm gonna edit line 410, and I'm gonna give one more comma over here, and then press the N key and H C 3 times. This program, this is like, and then press the F2 key. You can see dotted lines on the screen like this. This is how we can draw vertical dotted lines down the center of the screen when using screen 1. This is how it is done. So viewers, now I'm gonna so this is the program we just executed, and we can draw a vertical dotted lines down the center of the screen by using screen 1 by using this statement, line statement. Now I'm gonna execute this program. Programs draws a rectangle with a dotted line. So let's switch to the ID. So first we'll type line 220 screen 2, because we're gonna display that in screen 2, and then line 230, type line statement, line 300, 100, minus x to y to coordinates 400, 50, and then comma B, and then comma and sign H A. Now we will press the F2 key, so you can see the dotted lines on the screen. Okay, I'm gonna type rectangle. Name of the program, we'll first type line 220, and then type screen 2, I'm gonna save this program. Line 230 line statement is used with the coordinates 300, 100 minus 400, 50, and then comma b comma, and sign HAAA. I'm gonna press the F4 key and type the name as rectangle .bas. I'm gonna press the F2 key. I'm gonna list this program. So we don't need line 40, 404, then I'm gonna type delete 400 and delete 4, then we don't need it. I'm gonna list this program, press the F4 key and type rectangle .bas, name of the program. I'm gonna list, so you can see these two statements. Now I'm gonna press the F2 key, so you can see a rectangular box with dotted lines on the screen by using the screen to statement. So here is the program. You can see the code used in screen 2, and the output you can see just right like this, a rectangular box on the screen. So viewers, now after executing the above program, which draws actually a rectangle with a dotted line on the screen, I'm gonna type last program of line statement, and this is the draws a dotted line from the upper left corner to the screen center. So let's switch to the IDE. Okay viewers, now to draw a dotted line from the upper left corner to the screen center, we will type this program in screen 2. So I'm going to type screen 2 like this, and then type line 0, 0 minus 160, 100, 3, ampersand sign HFF00. This is the code. I'm gonna execute this program. Now I'll press the enter key, so you can see the dotted line from the upper left corner to the center, screen center. So this is the final program we have executed using line statement. Viewers, that's all. Thanks for watching.